Hi, so we're going to start looking at pay and earning money. So, what we're first going to look at in this video is the difference between annual, monthly, and weekly pay. Okay, so a few things to point out: that if you ever see the word annual or per annum or anything to do with that word, that just means in 1 year. And a quick way of saying that is PA. So you can see in example 1 that says PA after the £24,000, which means per year. Well, it means per annum, which means per year. It's Latin, I think, but it's just a word that we use. So, there's a subtle thing that we need to worry about when we do these questions, and that is if we think about the questions logically. Jamie earns £24,000 per annum. How much does he earn a month and then a week? Okay, so what some people might do is they might work out what a month is. And I managed to do that simply by dividing by 12, because there's 12 months in a year. And that is correct so far. Jamie would earn £2,000 per month because there's 12 months in a year. Some people might then decide to then further divide this by 4. That is wrong, because there is not 4 weeks in a month. There's 4 weeks in 1 month, February, unless it's a leap year. But there is not 4 weeks in every month. So in order to get the correct value for how much we earn a week, we need to divide the original amount by however many weeks there are in a year, which is 52. As you can see that there is a difference, because if I had just divided 2,000 by 4, I'd have got £500 per week, which is not accurate. He does not earn £500 per week, he earns £461.54 per week. And that is because there is, like I said, there is not 4 weeks in a month. Another way of proving that is if you did it that way, 12 times 4 is 48, so 12 months of 4 weeks is 48 months. You're missing 4 weeks. And what we're actually doing is we're actually still simplifying it a little bit, because there's not 52 weeks in a month, in a year. There's a few extra days. But for the sense of what we're doing right now, that's all we need to worry about. 52 weeks in a year, or 12 months in a year. So, Jack earns £231 per week. How much does he earn in a year? And then a month. I've been very careful in which to order them, because in order for me to accurately calculate how much he earns in a month, I need to work out how much he earns in a year, because I need to find out his total amount and then divide that by 12. So for A, how much does he earn a year? I'm going to do 231 times by the number of months there are. Times by the number of weeks there are. So I've done 231 times 52, which gives me £12,012 per annum, or per year, and that allows me to then calculate how much he earns per month. So, it is as straightforward as remembering how many weeks there are in a month. No, it's not. It's as straightforward as remembering how many weeks there are in a year and how many months there are in a year, but also remembering that there is not 4 weeks in a month. There is a different amount of days in each month. So to do it accurately, we need to remember to calculate it as a year first. From a year, we can calculate both month and week, but if we've got weekly pay, we need to find out how much earns in a year, and then divide it by 12. Okay? So that's how we can start calculating annual, monthly and weekly pay.